Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel where today I think I'm gonna have some fun building a new 911. I'll scroll down, GT3, because why not? Alright, so here we are on the Porsche configurer. And it may come as no shock to any of you that Python green is the color for me. There's just no way about it. It's my color, and I want it. So, let's start here with Python green. I would opt for full bucket seats because you should. I mean, I've never sat in them, but I can't believe they're that uncomfortable. So let's go to, now here's where things get crazy. I mean, there's so many exterior options on this thing. So I'm kind of going to go through these. So I would opt for the carbon roof. Because, I mean, I feel like this green, you do need something to break it up a little bit. So let's do exterior lower trim cover. Let's see what that does. Yeah, no, keep it black. I don't need any puddle lights. Model designation doors black. I don't mind that, but I know you can get other things on there. So let's take a look. Motorsport stripe. Top black. No. There's one that I specifically, here we are. Porsche side black. Yeah, I like that. That's kind of a classic Porsche look there. And I really like that. So let's do, ooh. Nope, yep, we don't want to do that. So let's see. Model designation. Man, there's just so many things you can do with these. Exclusive design fuel cap. I wonder if they have a picture of what that is. Okay, $160. Don't think I need that. Deletion of model designation on the rear. Let's see what that does. I kind of like that, but at the same time, if I'm going to buy a GT3, you're going to know it's a GT3. So, I wonder if you can get that in black. We can get the mirror caps in carbon. Doesn't seem to have loaded on there. I'm sure it will. So, there we go. Mirror caps in carbon. I kind of wish they were more piano black. I'm sure you could opt for that. So, that's it for the exterior. Let's go to performance. Now no, give me the manual. I want a manual. I like manuals. It's just the way it is. Let's do, I mean, why not do the bigger tank here? Porsche ceramic composite brake. Calipers in yellow, green and yellow, heck yeah. So this is probably pretty much going to be very similar to my Cayman build, obviously. But, yeah, just in GT3 form. Light and vision. $4,000 headlight system. What is that? They're pretty. Let's take a look. Elements black. High beam assist. Oh, I hate high beam assist. My TLX has that. Drives me nuts. Exclusive design tail lights. Let's see. Ooh. Kind of blacks them out. I honestly can't tell whether or not I like that. I think that's a toss-up, to be honest. So I'm going to go without. Comfort and assistance, parking assist, no, don't care about any of that. Interior, ambient lighting, fire extinguisher, why not? It's a race car. Seatbelts, now. I feel like I missed the Sport Chrono Pack somewhere. There we go. Boom. Perfect. Interior. I would still do seatbelts in yellow. I mean, green and yellow kind of ties in well with the yellow that's already on there and the yellow that's in here if you don't change that. Sport Chrono Dial. Let's see what yellow does to that. I don't really like the new. I think I'll just keep that black. Now here's the struggle I have, is what to do with that. I do like the white. I think that's very clean. I think racing yellow. Oop. It won't let me do racing yellow. Oh, I just gotta get rid of the white. There we go. There, it's not loading. Try this again. It's not loading very well. I think yellow is reserved for Ferrari. For some reason, whenever I see a yellow dial, it just screams Ferrari to me. So I would honestly opt for either no special color. But I think I'm honestly leaning towards white. I think that's a nice clean look. I love analog dials, and I think that's perfect. Analog tachometer with a digital speed. That's perfect. All right, so interior leather, race text. I'm not a really big fan of suede or Alcantara interiors. My 1LE has a suede wheel, and it's nice, but at the same time, like, it gets matted down really quick and doesn't look the best. So let's go straight to carbon fiber. Interior trim matte carbon fiber. Ooh, let's do high gloss. What is this ad? Oh, you gotta do the lame seats. So no. See, trays. Yeah, why not? $1,600. Interior aluminum. I think I'm good there. I like a good stereo. This is we're talking about a car I would never be able to afford. So, yeah. Let's see, $1,600 for that. Porsche Experience. I would honestly probably do one of these, and I would probably go to Atlanta. So why not add that to the price? Boom. There we have it. Sweet, simple, quick. Oh, Python Green. Porsche GT3 manual. Now, in all honesty, if I were actually to afford one of these, and like let's say it was something I was on the edge of affording, I would not opt for the carbon ceramic brakes. The expense of them initially isn't bad, all things considered, but the expense after to replace brakes and rotors is astronomical. It's probably triple the price of the actual kit, based on some experiences I've had through work in cars with Porsche ceramic brakes. But yeah, that's my Porsche GT3. We'll see what happens when the RS comes out, but this thing is very good looking. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Go on the configure, have some fun. It's fun to dream. You have a good night.